Okay, let's talk about scaled relationships. Okay, now when we look at our original shape here and the copies, uh, as I've told you before, sometimes you guys have a bad habit of focusing on the diagonals. But we can identify our scale much easier if we focus on distances that are actually measurable. And when we talk about these shapes here and what's actually measurable, we just need to think about our left to right and our up and down. So think about it. We have 4 units here. So 4. And we got 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going across here. And we got 1, 2 going across here. These are things that are real easy to see. They're visible. You can't really measure from here to here to here. You don't know how many units that is. Like, you don't know the measurement here. So, but you can tell this. And so that's what we're seeing right here as we'll look at some of these. So when we talk about distances that correspond to dB, for EFH, we see 6, and for LJ, it's 2 units. 6 and 2. 6, 2. Let's talk about the other one that's important here. I'll use a different color. We'll go with a red. All right, so if you talk about A to C, all right, and go up, and we see that's going up 6 units. 1, even though you're not on a point here, you see it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 units high. And we talk about E to G. We're going up there, right? And we see that E to G is going up 9 units. And when we look at I to K, we see that it's going up 3 units. And so we see things that we can measure on here, things that we can use to identify a scale. Let me get my pointer back here and go to the next slide. So when we're trying to find our scale here, I'm going to erase some stuff here. Erase. Erase. Somebody's barking in the background. Can't really control that. So it's one of those little things I have to deal with. The barking background. All right, so when we're looking for finding scale factors here, right? Well, think about it. We're going from dB to AC. So dB to AC, that's 4 to 6. That's the thing, same thing as saying EFH, which is 6 to 9, and LJ, which is going to be our 2 to 3. So when we look at our scale factors here, if we're talking about from ABCD to EFG, we get a scale factor of 1.5. And I just move up here so my thing will exit out of there for a second there. Because we see our 4 over 6 to 6.9. Well, 1.5 times 4 is 6. 1.5 times 6 is 9. And so we get a 6.5. So we see a scale factor of 1.5. When we talk about going from ABCD to EFGH, well, there we see another one. We're going reverse this time because we're getting smaller. We're going from 4 to 2. Well, 4 times a half equals 2. 6 times a half equals 3. And so again, as long as we're multiplying or dividing the top by the same amount, everything works out to get our scale factor. And so just bear that in mind. And so scale factor for ABCD, the EFG, 1/2. 0.5, 1/2. All right. That's all I have for now out here.